Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the Google account and that you actually need access on this PC. If you signed into a different account, you'll be blocked. Once done, make sure Internet and proxy settings allow Google services. Turn off VPN briefly to test. Next, download the latest drive for desktop installer and keep admin credentials ready so you can run it. These steps remove common blockers and let you start fixing the access error without wasting time on basic checks. You should now sign out of Drive for Desktop and sign back in to force reauthorization. This often restores permission scopes. If that fails, clear the app cache, reset the app, or uninstall and reinstall Drive for Desktop to remove corrupted state. Make sure the files are owned or properly shared with your account and that folder paths don't point to removed network drives. If the PC uses a company-managed profile, check with IT to confirm no policy is blocking Google Drive. Once the client is reinstalled and you've reauthorized, start a full sync and watch for errors. Ensure the same files appear on Drive. Google. Com to confirm access. If web access works but the PC still fails, test in an incognito window and clear browser/site data used for OAuth tokens. Finally, make sure folder permissions include your account. If problems persist, contact the file owner or your IT admin to grant explicit access. Troubleshooting tip. Check Google.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.